stats is we can visualize by default just the statistics of the entire data set, and we can type in any query here. All of these different applets, they use the same query language that is also described in one of the one of the pages we'll see. Every single neuron has a homepage. So for instance, if we go from search, we can click on any neuron and just see this cell info page for this neuron that shows in more detail all the information about the cell, some rendering of the mesh of the cell, preview of the top connections in and out. It gives links for all the different ways to search for similar cells, including search by connectivity, by NBLAST, and so on. It gives you all the annotations and where they're coming from. It gives you links to other tools and resources outside of Codex directly from here, deep links related to this cell. And as well as some breakdown of their attributes. Again, all these are, I think they are clickable. So for instance, this is, as you see, this forms a query upstream of the cell that we were looking for with a neurotransmitter type of ACH, of acetylcholine.